COVID-19, or better known as the coronavirus disease, is a global health emergency of many symptoms. This global epidemic has rapidly spread around the world with health, social, and economic presence. As we know, this virus has taken over many successes, not just in the United States, but also in other countries. I've caught an interest in learning about this disease and have been researching a lot on this topic recently. There are many ways this virus has interrupted our peace. I have chosen to specifically speak about these topics such as school and unemployment. Firstly, I want to discuss the symptoms briefly. At first, we thought the coronavirus was just a respiratory issue. That included a cough, fever, and shortness of breath. However, now symptoms of the coronavirus are endless, including fever and chills, body aches, sore throats, new loss of taste or smell, and even vomiting. These are a few amounts of the different types of symptoms that could result into the virus. Every school has different requirements. Every day, parents are asking themselves, should I be sending my child to school? As sad as this is to hear, it is the truth. Every 4 out of 10 students are now online. Elementary schools have canceled sports, father-daughter dances, playdate, and much more. Middle schools are canceling 8th grade graduation, high school has canceled prom and graduation, and colleges are canceling school activities and moving sports season due to this virus. With the upcoming year, school is very different. Mask and social distancing are a must-have. There are a certain amount of people that can be in a classroom, bathroom, and even at lunch due to the new requirements. This is changing the lives of many people, especially near future graduates. Kids and adults are not enjoying school as they should be, and it's not because they don't want to, it's because they can't. Another major issue going on due to the virus is unemployment. Just in the last year, unemployment rates are comparable to the Great Depression in the 1930s. Researchers say that there has been about 20 million people that have lost their jobs due to COVID, and the likelihood of getting their jobs back is very low. This leads to many issues, including not having enough money to pay a house payment, a grocery bill, and education. There are so many factors that go into losing an income, and essential and non-essential businesses are laying people off one by one. During these times, the focus would be on nurses and doctors. Every day, hospitals are having a shortage of nurses, doctors, and essential items. The pandemic is delaying the needs of people day by day. In result of worrying of having the loss of essential tools, any person who feels sick gets tested at home. The hospitals are now sending tests to people rather than going to the doctor face to face. Besides this, they have not figured out what to do. As we try and solve this virus, the government has issued masks, social distancing, and maximum capacity and hand sanitizer everywhere you go. As we make our way to the end of the speech, the last thing I wanted to mention is how masks are becoming a slight issue. I understand that there's not much else we can do, but it's causing continuous health issues as well. While wearing a mask is one of the safest things we can do, it is also causing other issues, breathing issues. Wearing a mask is easier said than done. If you already have pre-existing health issues, the mask compacts the breathing space even more, making even breathing a difficult task. The coronavirus has changed the world. The topics I have discussed today are the bare minimum of the virus. The coronavirus is just not a United States crisis, it is a global pandemic. Thank you.